5x10 Teardrop Camper. Okay, so we're working on the doors, and you can see I got one door cut out here. "41" door with an arch on it. Now what we're going to do, so we have both doors the same. Right here, guys and gals right here, so you can kind of get an idea. Here's the piece I cut out from the other side. It's still going to require a lot of sanding to get it just right. Okay, so I got a little piece right here that's going to level it out, right here. And I'll take my pattern from the other side. I know it's going to be exactly 20 inches from here to here. I'm going to set this on. Let it perch. So make sure you got it sitting as perfect as possible. Draw your own line around here. So we got a line to cut on. And remember, when you're cutting this, you want your doors to be relatively the same size. You see the line here? Don't cut on the outside of this line. Cut. Make your saw blade. Let's say this is how thick your line is, and this is how thick your saw blade is. Make sure your saw blade goes right through the center of that line. So, and it's really not necessary to have each door exactly the same. People will probably never notice it, but it's kind of nice if you do a really good job in everything you do. So get it as close as possible. Like right here, I'll probably take a straight edge and line that up. Let me get my straight edge, I'll show you. Line this up just like this. Straighten our line up just a tad bit. Here. Because when you cut your doors, for each side is going to be cut specifically for that side. So don't mix them up. Now I'll save you the hassle of watching a jigsaw running and listening all the lining of the and choking on the dust. So inside. Hang in there, and next thing you know, we'll be making doors. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it.